Chad, go over there in the living room, please. Thank you. All right, good morning, guys. This is Chad with Bolterra Capital Markets. We are looking at the minis, no, the micros right now. Micros. Don't need that. I need this a little bit wider. Here we go. All right, so we're looking at where we are right now as far as location on the 1 hour. We do have our low of day right here. Looks like we open in this area, push higher. We have this double top liquidity here at the high of day. They could go up and swipe this liquidity and then maybe fall lower. Let me just mark this right quick. Our low of day. This would be the, forgot to mark these yesterday. All right, so our previous day low would be here. Okay, so we got some areas that we could reach to. Um, let me see here. Let me see here. Let me see here. Yes. So this was New York Stock Exchange open price yesterday. So we dipped lower, swept those lows, and then that's kind of how we pushed higher yesterday. So all right, they're pushing this super fast, 2 minutes below. That was super fast. And they're pushing the high of days too, super fast. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and short here, see if we can fall to the low of day. See if we can get some weakness. I'll see this huge push very fast. So I'm gonna try to capitalize on this from the high of day. Want to see if we can close under back inside of this range and then just fall lower. Low of day, I would be willing to take off some of this position, but I would like to see more weakness. Guys, play nice. Play nice. Okay. Okay. Remember, love on your brother, you love on your sister. Okay, like the weakness. See if we can continue once we get this. We got about 30 seconds or so here until the 9:30 open happens. I do like this weakness here. See if we can close bearish. That'll be, oh my God, that'll be phenomenal, but I don't want this to push. Now we are pushing from this daily open because we did come down back under, accumulated here and pushed higher. So don't like how we're gaining strength, but again, it's close to 9:30. So it's probably what's happening here. Okay, that's what I won't like. Set my stop here. Back to the structural high. So 117 is what we are. See if we can get down to the low of day at least. We are rejecting pretty nicely on the 1 hour. Chat, go play with something by yourself and leave her alone. We are coming back in this area. I don't like it. Damn it. Come on, man. Right, so I took shorts due to the fast push up. I'm going to hold my stop here at the structural high. If it does go and sweep me out, stop me out, that's totally fine. We'll see if we possibly can get another position. I'm going to stay locked in here. We are trying to push higher from the area where we're looking at now. We do have 5 minute strength here, but this is pre open, New York Stock Exchange open. Because I don't want to manually do anything right now because it's going to count as another trade, and I'm only giving myself 3 trades today. So I'm just going to sit in this one and kind of allow price to do what it does. But this does look like it's strength, especially how we kind of dip near 23 270s and we kind of bounce from there. So, but we'll see if we can actually continue lower. That's what I'm really looking for here. to get us under the low of day. Since we expanded so much yesterday, potentially coming back down and maybe sweeping some of this liquidity, some of these imbalances and stuff like that. So I am actually going to just sit in this one. It is Friday, so we have one sitting right there, and then we have another one sitting right here. But if we can get this hour to close weak, and that again, that's another 27 minutes or so, then that'll kind of give us a little bit more confidence and confluence that we're shorting. But you see how they swiped that liquidity. So my stop is at the high of day right here. And the first 5 minute closes look like it's going to close bullish. So my stop could possibly definitely be getting ran. Yeah, we're at all-time highs too. So sticking with it, just gonna allow price to do what it does. And so we did close bearish on the 5 minute with a wick rejection off of this area here. So we did get that expansion candle. However, we did, like I said, we swiped the double top liquidity high of days here. We look pretty weak on the 1 hour. Again, anything can happen in the next 25 minutes. But what we're looking to do is see if we can get below daily open, possibly partial in this area. That's right. Should have took this entry on. Show me your hammer. No, show me nothing. Thank you. Where's my light go? Dad, take my light. Dad, light. It was like right here standing the whole time. It was like landing and light. Daddy, why take my light? Hold on, baby. Daddy's busy right now. Give me a second, love. Okay, well, guys, can y'all just play together and stop bickering, please? Because Daddy's trying to trade right now, and he's trying to stay locked in, and you guys are distracting him. So can you guys just get along, please? I love you. All right, good bearishness right here. I took an entry on my Forex account. Got in a little late here, but I'm just taking the same trade here. If we can get this 15-minute to close bearish under this open, we could be falling because we got a lot of weakness here on this hour. So I would be willing to take a partial here at your low of day. So let's see if we can get down to the low of day. This would be great to get to. However, once we go low of day and I'm gonna take 3 cons off. And then what I'll do is I'll adjust my risk to here, but I want a closure below daily open before I remove any risk. So hella weakness on this hour though. That push to start the open right before the open to sweep those higher days kind of really gave it away for me with that speed. So again, we can push lower. I'm gonna take 3 cons off here. I'll probably take 2. So I really want low of day before I take any contracts off. I want a closure. Yes. There we go. Need a little bit more. Come on. Please do not reverse on me. Got a minute left here. Come on, I need a closure. These people playing with me, dog. What the hell? All right, I got my stop set. So if they run these high days again, that's disgusting, man. Yes. I see, Baba. Okay. I really want low days here. Because they swipe the high day liquidity. So I'm looking to see if they can. Okay, so we get another 5-minute bearish closure. Sitting here. Staying with the confluence here. Really would like that closure under the daily open. and see if we can get us down.
You need more babies like this. Then you gotta drive home, okay? When Daddy's done with this video, he got to make you like a house for you.
I don't want this to flip on me. Don't want this to flip on me, dog. Come on, come on, come on. I need this to fall. But again, this hour though, uh, I wish I would have got the shorts above, but I just didn't want to just blindly take an entry. So I got right below here. I wanted above. Well, it's not too bad. How we got right there? I guess we got, yeah, that was a pretty good entry. We got like right at those highs. It's not too bad. So, so we're just sitting here, we're just waiting to see if we can get this fall. Another bearish 5 minute closure would be great. I would like one with more volume, bearish volume to the downside. So we'll just sit here and wait and just allow the play to play out. See if we can hit our goal. I had a goal to hit 1,000 for the week on the eval accounts. So I would actually need this trade to actually hit my $1,000 mark. I think we were like $9, $9 or so dollars. I think it's $9 negative on the week. I think 600, a little bit over 600 overall across two accounts here. So about 2 minutes here before the next 5 minute close and we get our 15-minute candle closure. Would love to see a 15-minute bearish close engulfing this whole bottom half of this candle.
The wall, you're next to a plant, and you're next to a bookshelf. You're next to a TV. You're next to your girl club. Hi, Mr. TV.
I got about less than 50, about 50 seconds here before we get the 15-minute candle closure. And then we'll have 15 minutes to really see where we close on the hour. But again, we got hour weakness. We swiped high of day liquidity. We're very close relatively to where the low of days are. I'm willing to take a couple contracts off here to secure some profit at the low of day. And then if we can get a closure under the low of day and kind of push into this imbalance a little bit, maybe, and hit our actual target of 23,208, that'll be phenomenal too. So we have 4 seconds here. We look like we're gonna get another 5-minute candle closure. We have a 15-minute bearish candle closure. Let's see if we can get us down to the that VWAP there. See if we can continue to reject that VWAP and continue lower. Careful.
Let's get a cop and let's go home.
my boy, my boy just said, "Please fall." I got those same shorts, cuz. That's funny. Oh God, my boy Ricky, he had sent something in the Telegram. They must have just got us another update here. Come on, man.
More, I know you're at work. If you drop your twin babies to grandma's house, yeah, you won't miss nothing. Okay. In my office.
All right, I had another 2 contracts. First is going to be here, adjusting my risk. The $128 risk. I don't like, you know what? No, I do like it because we close bearish here, engulfing this candle here, this candle body here. So maybe I could have maybe waited till this push here to come back down lower, but let's see if we can continue lower. We're inside of this supply here. All right, and then now we opened the New York Stock Exchange open. We open at 23,300, which is a full level. So we'll see if we can continue to reject this area.
Not that from the sky. Yes, I told you. Oh, yeah, very good.
So let's see, we can continue rejecting this and falling, but
Because
added a little bit more heat to the a little bit more fuel to this heat here. See if we can get it. I don't like this 5 minute shrink though.
can you give me a second? Hello.
Like it at all.
There. I gotta go to the boss's um um office so for a meeting. Okay, so and one job. Can you just like can you look after my office? They like
Play with me. I need you to fall, dog.
This is my office. This is my office. Yeah, it's all done. They're off. Hello? I don't go to the bar. The cheetah girls is me. Bye. You're gonna need help? No way. Why do you think you're gonna have help? And no, are you not? Aren't I gonna pick up the baby from your mom's house tomorrow? Yes, I am. If I don't know, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Well, I'm gonna follow.
So we got a 5 minute shrimp candle with a rejection from this area of 23,300, close around there. Would love to see more weakness here on the 15. Don't want to see that 15 close above these bodies of this candle. So you see how these two open kind of like simultaneously kind of like close by each other. We don't want to see that 15-minute close above there because then that will give us evidence that we do want to continue higher. So I'm leaving my stop to where it is. I did enter. I took another entry on my what do you call this, on my Forex account. Going to see if we can get lower. Guys, I need you guys to lower your voice, please. Thank you.
Daddy, you're going over? Daddy,
Hmm?
can you make this
What?
like a house right here?
Daddy's gonna have to do it when I'm finished. Daddy's like focus, 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 focus. Daddy's focus. All right.
Baby.
Come on, bro. Don't do this to us, dog. That jump was looking so juicy. Come on, man. We need you to fail. We need you to fail. Like, Jesus, Louise. Oh, shoot. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, was there news? Dang, it popped right down to the low. Uh, that jump popped down too. With liquidity, like with vengeance. All right, we got 8 minutes here in this hour. We can get this hour to close, but bearish. We might be all right. Come on, continue. I need you to come on, because I couldn't. That was too fast. I would be buying 3 contracts. Come on, can we get low day, like an actual flush during low day? Chad, stop screaming in here, please. It's gonna pick up on my mic. Can we get it? Can we get it? Come on. All right, about 2 minutes here in a 5. Do you like how we rejected this area of 2,300? See, we can continue on. Now we did push, we punched lower here, but we didn't really necessarily sweep the lows. It's just equal lows here. We're rejecting that VWAP, showing us weakness. Still look weak on this hour. Got about a minute or so here. Thinking about going risk off. Come on, man. This shot is playing around today, bro. Come on. You know you want to go down there. Stop playing with me. Got about a little less than 30 seconds here. See if we can get another 5-minute closure lower, preferably under the daily open. I don't want this to push back up towards our entry. There we go. Come on. Push. I need another close. I want to close your low, like at least below these, or even these two here. About 5 seconds here. Now, can we get a continuation down, man? That's what we're looking for right here. Continuation down. Let me make sure. Hold on. I'm gonna go and let's save, because when I do this manual, I just because every time you hit the manual, if you manually close the trade, it counts as an actual trade. So I don't want it to lock me out. That's why I added another trade just in case I need to manually close when we take these contracts off. Gerald, too loud, too loud, too loud. So we got about 4 minutes left until the hourly closes. We look pretty bearish here. I'm looking for a sweep of these triple lows here. We'll see if we can swipe these lows, push lower than these low of days. Honestly, we just need 223, 228, 50. Want to push lower, not a tap. We need like a dry, like one of them Kimbo slices punches through these lows right here. And I'll take 3 off. And then I'll move my wrist to break even. Come on, baby. You only want to punch them lows. Punch them.
Like, you guys keep going to like family casting. Tomorrow they're gonna make it to a ninja place. It's gonna be
3 minutes here, left in an hour. A little less than 3 minutes, about 2.
It's on this street anymore. There's so many cactus in the street. I want to go to some of the cactus anytime. Ring.
Ready. See what we get here. We want the lows. We want the lows. Come on, man. Stop playing. We want those lows, dog.
George. What? It's the end of the day.
All right. We got about less than 2 minutes. So it'll be about a minute until this 1 hour closes. Want a continuation, flush, so we can get out 3 contracts here. We'll go risk off once we push through this target and see if we can actually push lower to 23.228 50s. So I'll probably come down to about this swing high, right? Well, at least this one, not necessarily swing high, but this is where I bring my risk to. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Here we go. Less than 20 seconds here. Yes. I see you guys have it under the cover. I got it. Just share with each other. All right, here we go. Let's see. I'm buy right here. Oh my God. Holy. Shh. Relax, guys. Relax. I don't know what's going on right now.
You can't use it.
Oh, this is some BS, bro. What in the world, fam? What's wrong? Okay, so take it away from her. If it's yours, take it. If that's his, give it to him, please. Oof, goodness. What the heck was that at 10 o'clock, guys?
Give it back. Found it right there. Daddy, I found that light right there.
So give it to him, Mora. That's not yours. Give it to him. That's his. Come on, man. We're gonna get those lows of what? Are they playing around with us today? That was crazy. We had a spike down, a spike up today. 2 spike ups actually before the open, during the open, and just now at 10 o'clock open at an hour candle. Crazy. Still see weakness though. What's wrong, more? I'll give you a snack soon. Can you give me a second? Let me finish. Daddy trying to get up out of these trades. Goodness. Come on, man.
You can take your twin babies, Ika. You want to ride?
So I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I'm honestly about to just take this 400 because this is some BS, bro. Like they're right there. Stay composed. Stay locked in. All right, here we go. Can you turn it down just a tad bit? Right, like the weakness here. Yeah. Is that what you want for your birthday?
Oh, just got over on the robot part. That and my favorite soup.
Come on, bro. Just punch these lows so I can take these three off, dog. They trying to fight though. They definitely trying to fight. They're like, no, we ain't trying to give them the lows yet. Like I said, I'm going risk off. We going risk off. All right. And we'll see if so we got 336 locked in today. We'll come right here to this open this high this candle. See if we can continue lower. Come on, baby. Come to them. Come on. Come on. We're actually going to that 5 minute rejection, close under low of day. We want to see if we can continue to our target. So we got that close. So I'm going to come down to VWAP. See if we can continue lower. That would be freaking phenomenal if we can get a close below this low of day. Give me a little bit more. Shorts look pretty good here on my Forex accounts too. Up about close to 60 bucks on the day. All right. All right. So we just partial on the Forex positions or CFD positions. See if we can get a continuation down to 23,228.50. I'm gonna come down just a little bit because it's not really giving too much. On another 5 minute closure, lower. Can we get it? We got about a couple minutes here. Looks like it wants to go there, but it's kind of just bouncing right under here, this lower day. Let me move my stop loss on those two. All right, so I move my stop loss on my CFD positions. All right. All right, I'm taking it. All right, so it's 668. We're still in on CFDs, trying to get to see if we're going to get lower here. Yeah, I'm good. That's a solid day. All right, perfect. Solid day trading here. I'm actually going to exit my CFDs as well. All right, perfect. All right, so we got so again, just kind of recap what happened prior to the New York Stock Exchange open. We pushed higher, swept these highs. We took shorts right under there and kind of like near the highs because it spiked up above them, but I was able to get a position here. So what we did was we placed our initial risk here, and then as we came down, we kind of like trailed the risk a little bit as we kind of break these points of interest, like your daily open, your low of day. So we probably will get to probably could have gotten down here to 23 228.50, especially how we kind of rejected here. I think we have some ways to go. We're probably gonna maybe end up 23,200 would be a great area if they're trying to get lower. Nothing really is telling me strength right here. So I just took what we had off the table. So 668.32 across two accounts, a little bit over 1,200 bucks total. We did not hit our weekly goal of 1,000 on eval accounts, but it is totally fine. We're up about $1,300 across both accounts. And if we go down here, 3 trades, not too bad. 668. We bounced back after 2 losing days, $1,000 between 2 days here, and we're having our second profitable week. This is beautiful. I'm actually going to switch my screen to screen one, and I'm trying to see where I can find it at L trades. Fresh balance, close positions. All right, so this week, all right, so we just started this account about I think it was like a little less than $300. We've made a total of $95.36 on our lot. This is a live account, as you can see.